So, good morning Pips. Since na walang pupuntahan yung ating mga big boss and no transactions, so I'm gonna show you how I run my errands every day. So, actually nagta-taxi tayo. So, before tayo umalis, pray muna. And then, of course, I'm gonna show you my baon. This is for my lunch later. And this is for my dinner. Yeah. So since na wala tayong asawa ngayon, tayo wala dito, bumibili na lang muna tayo ng healthy foods sa kilala natin, which is affordable naman, and meron naman silang promo. So medyo 12:18 na ngayon kasi parang sakit ng katawan ko kanina, parang wala akong ganang bumiyahe, hindi na nga ako nakapag exercise. So nita sang first customer for today. See you around. Alright, careful. Skadoosh. So I think makakakuha na tayo ng first customer natin. It's already 12:27. Lumabas tayo ng bahay 12:18, so almost 10 minutes din. Pero I'm on my way going to the city. So si ma'am eto naka-wheelchair, so I'm gonna get her from City Mall. So I'm going to pick her up now. So tutulungan natin siya kasi naka-wheelchair eh.